Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the NUROUM A15 Bluetooth conference speaker and microphone. It's an enhanced 360 degrees voice pickup and noise cancelling computer speakerphone with 4 MEMS microphones. Daisy chain possible. And it comes with a dongle. That means if you have a device which does not support Bluetooth, you can use the dongle which is included here to pair it each other. Really cool. And USB-C plug and play cable. Not only USB-C, it's in USB-C and A cable included. And of course Bluetooth connectivity are possible. We connect two A15 conference speakers with numerous special cable to easily work well in small meetings, so under 8 attendants, and medium to large meetings up to 16 or more attendants. Compared to a wireless connection, this wired connection technology is more stable and free of environmental interferences. The daisy chain cable must be purchased separately, of course. It will automatically shut off when not used after 1 hour or battery life-saving mode. Daisy chain is a cool thing, but you does not need a daisy chain if you have a conference with only 8 up to 10 people. That's enough to buy one of these devices here. The A15 Bluetooth speakerphone is equipped with an upgraded full-duplex digital microphone and 4 MEMS mics, which can pick up the voice within 3 meters radius and suitable for 6 up to 10 people conference meetings. That's really easy because you have to place this device in the center of the office or of the meeting room. Then we have to connect one of our devices to it, and then we can run the conference meeting software on it, and you can start and have a meeting. This computer speaker here with microphone offers a plug and play after being connected via Type-C connectors or USB-A possibility too, because it's USB-C and A adapter. This is a wide connection. This guarantees a stable connection method. During the online meeting, our privacy will be protected by muting the speaker and microphone anytime and anywhere we want. The wireless laptop speaker here and microphone features the upgraded AI noise reduction technology. This eliminating background noise. Advanced noise cancellation technology makes the computer speaker with microphone enabled as to experience a different kind in effective remote meeting and powerful compatibility. This NUROUM Bluetooth conference speakers is compatible with multiple devices and operation systems, such as Windows or Mac or operation system. No need to install drivers. The conference speakers can be connected via USB Bluetooth, and it is also compatible with the most commonly used call software such as Zoom, Skype for Business, WebEx, etc. Really cool. Focus on video conference experience for hybrid working here. This is the brand of it. NUROUM A15 Bluetooth speakerphone. 4 microphone array. 3-watt hi-fi speaker. Noise cancellation. Bluetooth, USB dongle. USB plug and play. And 2 units expansions possibility. We have extensive compatibility. It works with this leading online conference services, and you can connect it via aux, 2 units of expansion, Type-C, and another Type-C port is available. Daisy chain up to 16, up to 20 attenders. We have 360 degrees voice conversion and a pickup range of 10 feet. It holds our meetings anywhere because it comes with a nearly cool backpack. We always have a clear conversation because Bluetooth wireless speakerphone comes with it and makes a clear connectivity possibility. And NUROUM is an innovative solution provider for distance collaboration with audio as its core competency. With NUROUM self-innovated full-duplex AI noise suppressions, de-reverberation, industry-leading beamforming algorithm and technology, being clearly heard is perfectly realized. The products can be applied in various markets, such as distance conference, remote educations, telemedicine, video interviews, etc. And it's not the end. It comes more and more by NUROUM for distance collaborations. If you get this device here, then you will get the USB Bluetooth speakerphone, and USB cable, and Bluetooth adapter, and a lot of good vibes. Bluetooth 5.0. Frequency range is 2.402 GHz to 2.480 GHz. The support profile is HFP, A2DP, and AVRCP. The Bluetooth output power is 20 milliwatt maximum. Then the effective range is 20 meters in open space. The working time is 8 hours because it's a built-in battery. The battery capacity is 3.7 volt, 2600 milliampere hour, and the charging time of that device is around about 2 hours. The microphone, 4 noise cancellation microphones included. The activity of the pickup range is 3 meters. The maximum background noise suppression is 18 decibel. Then we have here the speaker rated output power is 3 watt 40. The product dimension itself is 166 to 105 to 38 millimeter. And of course you can make an operation ambient temperature from 0 up to 40 degrees Celsius. And the weight is 329 grams. You can see it's not heavy. You can use it nearly everywhere. Then we have LED support. The microphone mute, solid red. It shows you on the device of the appliance. Bluetooth USB incoming call, flashing green. Daisy chain successfully, solid blue-green. Aux port communicating, solid yellow-green. And Bluetooth pairing is flashing blue. The Bluetooth connected, solid blue. Bluetooth disconnected, solid white. And the battery low, flashing red. And firmware update, flashing blue and green. You can see it's a lot of information, but it's really easy because you have on the device itself only 2, 4, 6 buttons. These are touch buttons. We have on the left side an on and off button. We press and hold it for 2 seconds to turn it on. With power on, we push once to indicate the battery capacity. Then we have the phone button. Incoming calls, push once to answer. Incoming calls, push 2 to quickly to hang up. Call, pushing once to hang up, okay? Then we have this minus button here. We press to reduce the volume. Then we have the mute button to make the microphone mute and unmute it. We press and hold for 2 seconds to wake up the voice assistant of a mobile device, possible too. Then we have a plus button. Then we increase the volume. And then we have the Bluetooth button. We press and hold it for 2 seconds to enter and exit the pairing status. And we press to connect the last connected devices. 2. On the back side, we have an aux port, a substation for built-in speakers and microphones of a mobile phone or a personal computer used to connect a mobile phone or a personal computer too. Then the next slot is the daisy chain port. It used the wide daisy chain mode to connect to daisy chain for another device. And it's a line out port used to connect to an active speaker. Then the next thing is the reset. The reset button, we have to push 1 second, job's done. Then we have the reverse power supply port. It comes with an out port 5 volt 1 ampere. We use to supply power to external mobile phone. That means it's a power bank too here. And the last one is a USB audio port. Communication with a personal computer, charge device through an external adapter by using USB-C adapter, for example, of your smartphone. This is really cool, and this makes a good job and a good meeting environments. NUROUM A15 Bluetooth conference speaker and microphone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.